Next, we have LCM and GCD. So, syempre, alam na natin to from grade school. This is least common multiple at greatest common denominator. Try natin LCM ng 5, 12, and 30, which is alam na natin na 60. Yun, tama. So, next, GCD naman, greatest common denominator. Try natin magbigay ng numbers na alam na natin to check kung tama ba yung sagot ng calculator. So, GCD ng, let's say, 12, 24, 36 na alam naman na natin na 12 and yun, tama naman yung binigay na sagot ng calculator. At yun na lahat ng functions na mahahanap nyo sa apps button. Next, we have ito. Ayun, nandito na pala tayo sa pinakasikat na function ng calculator natin, and that is yung shift solve. Now, yung standard function muna, calc. Ano ang ginagawa ng calc button ng calculator natin? Calc button is just another substitute for equals. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin as equal sign. So, 9 plus 9, calc, yan, 18. Substitute siya sa equals, pero how it differentiates itself from the equal sign is pwede siyang mag-evaluate ng variables. So, what do I mean by that? Kapag mag-i-input kayo, A plus B, yan, pwede nyong gamitin yung calc, tatanungin sa inyo ano daw yung value ng A, ano daw yung value ng B. So, 8 plus 7, this is 15. So, yun yung nagagawa ng calc function. Sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.